Hi, this is Chris. Today I'm going to work in my scrap collage book. It seems like every time I make something I end up with more scraps. I've got more scraps than I know what to do with. So I'm going to pull out a bunch of scraps and I'm just going to mess around and see what I can come up with. I think I'll start with this. It's a drawer out of a little cosmetic case that I use to hold scraps. Let's see what we have. Okay, I pulled out some things I kind of like. I like squirrels, even though they destroy my garden and eat up all my lettuce and kale and all that stuff. I get so mad at them. I still think they're cute. So maybe I'll do something with, I need to think outside the box on how to stop them from eating all my veg, and I think I have an idea for next season. So I think something like that. I don't want to chop them up. Got more squirrels in here. Put that aside. Okay, so let's take our book out of the cover. And I have a video on how I made this. It's the first video in the series for in the playlist for scrap collage. It should be. It should be. So I'll start on a new page. I like all these acorns. I've got to go this way. Okay, so I'm just going to work on this and figure it out, and when I get it figured out I'll come back and explain to you my idea. I have another box of scraps, another drawer of scraps I can go through. See if there's any little thing I would like to add. Look at those. Those are cute. Clock. Clock. 12 o'clock. If he was facing the other way, he could be staring at the giant squirrel. Oh, here's a collage I started. I put this Gila monster inside their van, camper van. It's mostly Christmas. Oh, a little bit of lace. That'd be pretty. A little bit of lace. Doesn't have to mean anything. There's one that's already ripped. Well, that's pretty busy. Busy bee, busy squirrel. It's going to be things you'll have to look for. Okay, think outside the box. I'm going to outline this with my Stabilo All pencil. I'm going to use brown. I'm just going to call this a scrap collage. And then I need to number it. This will be number 12 in this book. I think I'll do it with the dark. Now this stamp is crooked, so I have to remember to tilt it a little bit. I think I'll just put it right here. Okay, close enough. 12. Thanks for watching and have a great day collaging. Bye-bye.